Making sourdough bread is so easy if you follow my recipe, but it's also so messy. Now you may want to wash up in the sink, but as a builder myself who's done a ton of plumbing jobs, repair jobs, and new installs, washing sourdough down the sink could cost you thousands. Don't believe me? Watch this. By the way, I'm MJ, founder of loadedpotato.org and your refrigerator eliminator, the I hate to cook master. And I've hacked the Martha Stewart rigged system that has us locked in our kitchen for hours when there is a better way. I show you how to make delicious, quick meals for about $1 or $2. No hours of prep, all straight from your pantry. So be sure to subscribe to my channel and I'll be sure that you never have to worry about dinner ever again. It's sour day. Supercalifragilisticexpialidocious. Sourdough is notoriously sticky. It's like glue. Have you ever accidentally left a clump on your counter and it dried? It's almost impossible to get off short of scalding hot water and a bunch of scrumming. So, say your hands are covered in sticky sourdough and you wash them off. That sourdough goo is going down the drain. I poured sourdough starter into this old water bottle so you could see exactly what happens when sourdough goes in. It turns to solid mass like so. So if you could imagine this being your pipe and any kind of starter liquid that you might have that you need to wash off is going down your pipes, it's gonna dry. In the middle of the night when no water's washing through it, it's gonna dry and it's gonna clump up like this. It's gonna only be this the first time. And then again, and again, and again. It only takes a couple of times for this to build up enough. This is a very large pipe. So it will not take very much time for this sourdough to build up and clog your drains. Now drains in your house are very, very slightly sloped. They don't have much of a slope at all. Maybe a 1/4 inch, 1/8 of an inch a foot. So it is so slight. So this cannot go down the drain very fast and it's gonna goop. The sourdough is gonna stick because it's like glue and it's gonna turn into a solid. So say you make another loaf, more sourdough down the drain. It will build up until your pipe is completely clogged of sourdough goop. Now, here's the problem. You don't know where it clogged up. Did it clog up under your island? Did it clog up out in the yard? Did it clog up on the drain through the living room? We don't know. Either way, your plumber is going to be a well-paid and happy man and your wallet will be empty and it's not fun. So let me show you what I do to make sure I don't put sourdough down my drain. What I do when my hands are nice and sticky from the sourdough, from mixing it, all I gotta do is just grab paper. And then you're just gonna rub it. And it will actually rub off quite nicely. It kind of clumps when you just rub it and it will just rub dry pretty quickly. So you're just gonna rub as much as possible right into your trash can with your paper towel. Make sure there's no clumps. So then once you got the majority, pretty much all the clumps are gone and all that's left on your hands are just a little bit of dust, this will pretty much dissolve in the water. So if you've got about this much, you are fine to wash your hands in the sink. No worries, go for it. Also, extra soap helps. I actually like to wash my hands, my sourdough hands, with dish soap as an extra precautionary measure to make sure no sourdough clogs my drains. Being the person who has to fix the drains, you really start thinking twice about what you do. So once your hands are clean, you're ready to go. Clean, no harm, no foul, all is happy, all is well, and you can go back to your sourdough making without worrying that your pipes are getting clogged. So there you have it. The more you know, your drains will be free and clear. So what can I say except you're welcome for saving you thousands on plumbing. I'm just playing. Well, hopefully I'm just playing. Hopefully you don't ever have to spend thousands on plumbing because you are following my advice. Now, if you love easy sourdough hacks, be sure to follow me for more amazing recipes and recipes using only shelf-stable ingredients, and check out loadedpotato.org to see all of our recipes, meal plans, grocery lists, and recommended products to save you time, money, and reduce your dependence on the refrigerator. Till next time.